close till I get up.
Guys, I hope you are well. So guys, today we start our decoration of the house, and I'm going, it's 8 a.m. in the morning, and I need to get there before, I hope there's no traffic, one, and then I need to get here at home before 2 p.m. to get her ready. So I hope I'll get everything that I really want, and maybe few things here and there, if in case I don't film because of the I'm using my phone, and you know guys how town is, especially the downtown. So in case I don't feel, I'll show you guys after what I have bought. Yeah guys, so see you later guys, and wish me luck so that I can get what I want. So see you guys.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that
I'm already in
finally.
Kamukuji, and I'm trying to decide what to take. Look at these flowers guys. So I needed some flowers, which you will see which one I'll pick. There's so many things here, like the mirror. Guys, I'm trying to figure out which one I'll pick first, but I will reveal as soon as I get home while arranging. So yeah, look at this, so cute. Yes. Guys, I'm from Kamukuji. I came here to print the photos and for the frames, and yeah, then I'll get going. I'm so tired, and the lighting is bad. Yes, look at this studio guys. So this is where I'm printing the photos. They do print really well for the frames. I have like limited time to get home. I have 1 hour to be home, so I'm hoping it will not take a lot of my time. Yeah. Town. It's located in Gaborone Plaza in Luthuli. Let's check. Hi guys, so guys, here I am. I left yesterday where we were printing the photos, and then I'm here, so I'm doing some cleaning, but I was cleaning the bedrooms and the kitchen. Then I need to mount the frames, the things that are needed to be mounted before I clean the living room, because you know, I'm sure there will be some few dust here and there. So I just stopped the cleaning so that I can mount them. And yeah, and today is on a Thursday. I was in town on yesterday was Wednesday, so today my baby will be closing the school today, so I need to do this before she gets home. And yeah, so yeah guys, I will show you the whole thing, but I will take the video and mounting the mirrors and all. You'll see the mirrors which I got. They are so cute. And then just few things I'll show you guys. You will see. And we are not yet done. This is just a part 1 of the makeover, because I'm buying things slowly and slowly, so I'll be taking you along guys, so stay tuned for more videos. This is just a starter, you see. It's like a menu, a startup. So yeah guys, so let's get to the video. It's 8 in the morning. Actually it's 9. Oh my, yeah, it's 9, but I hope I'll be done by 10 or this. And yeah, let's do this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
I'm done with everything. Cleaning, I'm so exhausted. It's what, 12:40 now, 12:40 p.m. Is it p.m. or noon? Yeah, I'm so tired guys. And first of all, my house looks so beautiful. Oh my god, I never expected this. And this is just a part 1 of the makeover. Can you imagine what it will look like after I finish the makeover guys? Oh my gosh, I didn't expect this. I'm so excited, and I can't wait to see my hubby's reaction, because he never thought I would buy the pot. As you can see the frames, he just saw the flowers. He knows there is mirrors, but he doesn't know that part. Look at it. It looks, comment below what you think guys, because it looks so different from what with the other portraits which are here, which I'm trying to figure out where I'll take them. But let me show you guys how my house looks like. I'm so excited. I never expected this guys. On my TV stand, I brought these flowers on this side and the speakers, and then these are the portraits which I just removed there. I still figuring out where to mount them, because I still have those mounting thingies. And then my flower, my first flower in the house, I bought this when we were in a 1-bedroom apartment. And guys, look at that. Those are the mirrors. I feel like they look so good here. I wanted to put them on this wall, but then again, maybe one day I want to buy the bigger mirror to put it here, and then when I do that, I can transfer these ones. But for now, I feel like it's good. It's okay there. Yeah, look at that guys. We are still going to buy the runway, some carpet. Yeah, okay. Are you ready for my flower? So this is the flower I bought at Ikamukuji yesterday. And guys, I bought new portrait. Like I said, I really wanted, these are F3, these are bigger. I don't know whether you can see it properly on my phone, but I did this on my own. I can't wait to see my hubby's reaction and Taraji's. So I love this flower. I feel like I should add more stems, but for now I love it. It's a bamboo, yeah. And then see, so I put these like all together like that, but I feel like this wall is so big, it needs more art, which I said I'll change these ones one day. But for now, we are waiting for the carpet and the lights. I can't wait guys to finish this makeover. This is so amazing. This is what I've been wanting. I feel like my house is coming through. And then after the living room, I'll go room by room, one step at a time. So yeah guys, let me know what do you think about my new decors. Let me know on the comment.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
Many hours later.
Open. What do you see?
A surprise from a picture.
Yes. And what else?
Is this one?
What is this?
Flowers.
Good. And see? Up there.
Huh?
Mirror, mirror on the wall. So guys, I'm loving my living room. It looks much better, and I can't wait to finish this makeover. I can't wait. So God, thank you for this. I just hope that I'll manage to finish this makeover, because you know these things are too way expensive, you know. Oh my. But anyway, God is the one who provides, and I know he will provide on the next one, the part 2. This is just a part 1 guys. Expect a part 2 soon. So yeah, we do it one step at a time guys. So expect the other one so soon guys. I didn't expect this look, but I'm still amazed and how the house looks like. You see guys, you can save just a little money and you can buy these things guys. You don't have to wait until you get rich. I always see celebrity houses looks this good, and I'm like, one day I'll do that. I can do that. I thought I would put a bigger budget on my house, but you know, you can do these simple decorations and still look good. Like these frames are not expensive actually. So yeah guys, when you go to Kamukuji, you can actually go on that shop. They have no number, but in case anyone wants their number, they can comment. I'll give the guy's number. You can call anytime. Yeah, I still have the number of that guy who was selling these things for me. So guys, I see you on my next video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't. So until my next video, bye.